Hello everyone, welcome to Besties and Babies. Do you know my baby is already 1 year old? In this video, we will see our birthday celebrations. Please come and join with us. My baby's name is Vedu. He was born on November 1st, 2020. I still remember the first time I saw him. He was so tiny and cute. Now he's a big boy and a very naughty boy. But I love him so much. I like to play with him all day. He's the best baby in the whole wide world and the naughtiest baby in the whole wide world. We celebrated Vedu's star birthday in the hospital. If you want to know why, please watch our previous video. And the next day we went back home. Okay, bye. Now Amma will talk to you.
Hello everyone, I'm back. Last year on November 1st, our little Vedu was born. Time passed by so quickly. It feels like yesterday. As Vihan said, he was literally a tiny baby. Last year was like a roller coaster, but we are happy everything went well. Okay, so now back to our video. Here I am making a birthday board where we write the milestones, likes and dislikes and everything about the baby. We also have one for Vihan which Chinnu made. I tried some DIY decorations and props for the photo shoot. I made this number 1 using tissues and white cardboard. Super easy and super affordable. I'm not a creative person, so that means if I can do it, then anyone can do it. Do try.
Happy birthday, Vedu!
We love you so much. We love your cute smile, your naughtiness, your tantrums, and everything about you.
Acha and Amma wants all the best things for you and your big brother.
May God bless you both always.
Acha
and Amma loves you both so much.
My Vedu, my baby, I love you so much. Ma.
We had planned a small get-together on his birthday. But as it was a weekday, we could invite only few of our friends.
Vedu's birthday! Vedu's birthday!
Vedu was super cranky that day. While Hari was wrapping the return gifts for the kids, I was making chits for the games. To make the party a little more interesting, I planned some games for the kids. These chits were for Damsharats. We also had few other games in mind, like musical chair, passing the parcel and pinning the tail on the donkey. The cake cutting was planned in a restaurant, so we didn't have much cooking to do. But I made Semia Payasam for Vedu. And I was really happy that he enjoyed that Semia Payasam. We're all ready. Come, let's go to the party. And here comes the star of the day, Vedu. Hari, Vihan and Vedu were almost matching. 3 handsome boys in matching outfit. The cake was also jungle themed. We got it from a nearby bakery, Celebrating Life Bakery. The cake was super cute and very tasty. And here's the decoration. We bought the balloons from Amazon. The hotel staff helped us in decorating it. Vihan was waiting for his friends to come. And when they came, he was so happy. This is Hari's colleague and family. They are all really close to us.
They are my friends Hashim Etan and Akhian. This is Ayhan.
You all remember Ami? If you have watched Rihan's birthday video, you'll surely remember her. This is our jungle themed cake with chocolate fudge flavor. The cake and the decorations looked very pretty. We can save so much money by doing the decorations ourselves. Yes, it does take a little time and effort, but it's worth it doing yourself. Nowadays, for balloons also, there are so many options available on Amazon. Plan ahead and do it yourself. The first birthday parties are more fun for the elder siblings and parents.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Vinu. Happy birthday,
As Vedu is not used to have so many people around him, he got a little uncomfortable seeing everyone there. Children nowadays are very smart. I am a sweet lover, and hearing that, Ahya was telling me,
So don't eat sweets because they added too much sugar.
so cute. Now, our game time.
Listen. There is a donkey over there. We have to pin the tail on the donkey. Okay? Okay. But we'll close your eyes.
Blindfold. Blindfold. I want to go first.
Okay, you'll go first.
Banana.
It was really fun playing the games with children. We really enjoyed very much. Now time for Peet Puja. The food was very delicious. It was a buffet. Everything was very tasty. The starters, the main course, desserts, everything was perfect. Children loved the pasta salad. We all really liked the arrangement, the food, and the service of the restaurant. The staff was so helpful and so sweet. It's a small North Indian restaurant. If you are in Abu Dhabi and you want to try, just comment below. We'll reply back with the details. We all spent a really nice time together. They all are our closest friends in Abu Dhabi. First birthdays are always special. We know that Vedu won't remember a thing, but as parents, we wanted to do something special for his first birthday. And through this video, he'll see in future that he had an amazing first birthday. After taking some photos, we all said goodbye to each other and went back home. It was late, but Vihan wanted to open the gifts. This is a mini bike we got for Vedu. We had also planned a cake smash for Vedu. We went to a nearby park with the cake and the props I made. When we did the cake smash for Vihan, he was very hesitant to even touch the cake. He did not like being dirty. I remember I had to smash it for him so that we could take some good pictures. We really hope Vedu would enjoy smashing the cake. It's so difficult to take pictures of children. We need so much patience. We have to take so many pictures to get one perfect shot. My phone is full of Vihan's and Vedu's photos. and most of them are shaken ones. As you can see, the cake was totally smashed. They both enjoyed smashing and eating the cake. Seeing Vihan, he also was running here and there with the cake all over him. After cleaning up, we stayed there for some time and then we went back. We went to Mushrif Park. It's a very beautiful park. If you're organizing any event or doing any photo shoot, it's a perfect place. These are all special memories which we'll cherish till the end. Ah, little Vedu, you're 1 year old. With a blink of an eye, you have grown so much. We never thought we could love anyone else other than Vihan. But when you came to our life, we know, we understood, you complete us. We should all enjoy these little things in our life because these experiences and these memories are very special and will always keep you happy. It's time to end the video. Hope you all enjoyed watching our little celebrations. Also, if you haven't watched Vihan's birthday video and the special video we made for him, please watch that also. We believe you have joined our little family. If not, please hit the subscribe button. We'll see you soon with our next video. Till then, take care. Bye.
Thank you for watching. Bye. Bye bye.